How keyword planner works. So get help with keyword research and selection the right ones. Okay. So Google Ads. Sign in, then get started. Sign in. Click email and password this login. Okay. Get started new account. So email account and next. Okay. So summer April get idea batting suits then shirt get started shows the right keyword. The right keywords can get you ad in front of the right customer, and Google Ads keyword planner in here to help. Then how keyword planner work? Get help with keyword research and selecting the right ones. Discover new keyword. Search for work or first related to your product or service. Our keyword research tool will help you find the keyword that are most relevant for your business. Success keyword: clothing store and fashion retailer. So research keyword. Our keyword research tool gives your insight info how often certain words are searched and how those services have changed over time. This can help you narrow your keyword list down to the next and retail weight 8 million, 4 million, 2 million. Get bit estimate. You will give your success bit estimate for each keyword so you can determine your advertising budget. So thank you everyone.